नमस्ते बच्चों, हिंदी समय में आप सबका स्वागत। Let us revise what we learned in last weeks, okay? ख क से कमल, ख ख से खरगोश, ग ग से गंगा, घ घ से घर, ङ ङ we didn't have any word, छ छ से चम्मच, छ छ से छाता. Okay, today I'm going to introduce you to a new letter. Okay, every Tuesday we start our Hindi new letter. So today's date is 28th July and we are going to learn a new letter, a new व्यंजन. कौन सा व्यंजन है वो? It is ज. So this is how we write j. Curved line, sleeping line, standing line, j, j. Curved line, sleeping line, standing line, j. एक और बार, j. Let us see where we can hear the sound j. Where all can you hear j? Say, when I say Miss Juno, can you hear j in it? Juno? Yeah. So my name will begin with this letter, j. Okay? चलो. और क्या क्या है which begins with the sound j? Okay. It will be very difficult for you to Hindi to guess. So I will give you the words which you can learn. First word is jal. Jal means water. Jal. Please repeat. Jal. Water. Okay. Next word is jahaz. Jahaz means boat. Boat which goes on jal, goes on the water. Jahaz going on jal. Then next word juta. Juta means shoe. Juta. Please say juta. Okay. Next is jeeb. Your tongue. Jeeb. Say jeeb. Good. Next is jadoo. When I say jadoo, can you hear j? Jadoo. Jadoo means magic. You all like magic, right? Of course, even I love to see magic. Okay? The next word is jug. Jug means the jug from which you pour water. Jug. There is also one more meaning for jug or jagat. Jug or jagat means our earth. Earth. The earth, the planet that we live in. Jagat or jug we call it. Other jug is a drinking jug also you will say. Okay? So please remember there are two meanings for that. Next one is jal. Jal is a net. A net with which you can catch fishes or butterflies, or you can catch, what do you want to catch in that? Anything. I wish I can catch you all in that and bring you to school. The jal. Jal. Okay, say jal. And next one is jungle. Jungle. Jungle, by now you all know what is jungle. Forest. Say jungle. The next word is jab. Jab. Jab means pocket. Some have jab in the shirt, some have jab on their pajamas or pants. Okay? So shall we say the words one by one? Yes. Jug, as in the one from which I pour water. Then jungle, jal, jadoo, jahaz, jeeb, your tongue, and juta, jab, jug or jagat. Jagat means the earth, the jug or jagat. Okay? These are the words that I am giving you right now in Hindi. You have to see, children, by learning the letter, it is not enough. We must know some words in Hindi so that when we start now telling stories or singing rhymes, we must understand the words. That is why we are learning so many words. If you can learn all the J words, very good, बहुत अच्छा है. But at least 4 or 5 words you must remember. Okay? Okay, children. Now for your homework, you will take page number 22. In page number 22, that's your page. J. You will practice writing on this. But this you can do tomorrow. Today you will practice on the shadow writing. What they have given in the book? J say jahaz. There's a boat or there's a ship. Then there is jal, net for catching fish. Jal. And then they have here J say jagat, earth. Okay? So you can practice writing J time and again on the slate also. Okay? So your slate, and one more important, which place, your favorite place, the Santa. Okay? I can show it to you once. Curved line, sleeping line, standing line. J. One more time. Curved line, sleeping line, standing line. J. J say jal, water. Or J say chuno. Okay, children, keep practicing it in your sand tub, on the slate, and then on the shadow, and then on your class workbook. Okay? Definitely you will get it. And every time you say, I want you to not just say J, you say Jal. One time for Jal, one time for Jahaz, one time for Jagat, one time for Juta, whichever word comes to your mind. Keep telling again and again. Within 1 week you will get it. Also remember to trace the ones that you learned previously. Okay, children, see you on Thursday again in another video. Until then, bye-bye.